Welcome children, take out your civics book, chapter 13, the Judiciary. Today I am going to explain page number 148, 149 and 150 in gist and then give you the question answers of this chapter. The High Court, the highest judicial body in a state is the High Court. Kerala and Lakshadweep Island share a common High Court. That is the Kerala High Court, while the National Capital Territory of Delhi has its own High Court. Composition. A High Court consists of a Chief Justice and other judges. The population of a state decides the number of judges in a High Court. The Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by the President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of that particular state. The President, in consultation with the Chief Justice of India, the Chief Justice of that High Court and the Governor of the state, also appoints the other judges. Eligibility. The eligibility of a judge of a High Court are: Number 1. Must be a citizen of India. Number 2. Should have held a judicial office in India for 10 years or more. Number 3. Should have been an advocate of a High Court for 10 years or 2 or more such court for a similar period of time. Term. A judge of a High Court can hold the office till the age of 62 years or can resign earlier or can be removed through the same process that appeals to the judges of the Supreme Court. Salary and allowances. The Chief Justice of India draws a salary of 2.5 lakh per month, while the other judges draw a salary of 2.25 lakh per month. Powers. Number 1. A High Court hears original cases concerning the fundamental rights of the citizen. It passes judgment on election petitions and other election-related disputes. Number 2. Hears appeals in civil and criminal cases against the decision of the subordinate courts and can review their judgment. Number 3. Controls and supervises the working of the lower courts and maintains a record of its proceedings and decisions. Writs. It is an order or direction from the court ordering someone to do or not to do something. Both Supreme Court and High Court has the power to issue writs. Writs are issued for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Some writs are habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, etc. The subordinate courts. Lower courts under the control of High Court are called the subordinate courts. Civil court. The highest civil court in a district is the district judge court and has judicial and administrative power. The district judge has the power to try cases related to land, property and so on. Criminal courts. The district courts, session courts, additional and assistant judges and first class magistrate courts come under the criminal courts. The district and session judge passes a legal sentence, but a death sentence has to be confirmed by the High Court. Appeals against the decision of the district courts are heard by the High Courts. Revenue courts. Revenue courts hears matters related to revenue payment. The highest authority of all revenue courts in a state is the Board of Revenue. Panchayat court. Panchayat courts or Nyay Panchayat are found in the rural areas. 3 or 4 villages together have a Nyay Panchayat. It hears petty civil and criminal cases and can impose fines. Lok Adalats. To resolve disputes in a simple, quick and an inexpensive manner, Lok Adalats have been set up and are presided over by a sitting or retired judicial officer. The cases are solved through mutual understanding and compromise. Legal aid. Indian Constitution ensures that no citizen is deprived of opportunities seeking justice due to economic or other factors. Under the legal aid scheme, free legal services are made available to: Number 1. People belonging to SCs and STs. Number 2. Women and children. Number 3. Mentally ill and physically challenged person. Number 4. All those who cannot pay for legal services. Now let me give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Which of the 3 organs of the government protects the fundamental rights of the citizen? Answer. The legislative, executive and the judiciary protects the fundamental rights of the citizen. Number 2. What is impeachment? The process through which the President or the judges of the Supreme Court or High Court can be removed from his post, from his office are called impeachment. Number 3. Which court is called the Court of Record? Why? Answer. The Supreme Court is called the Court of Record because it records and prints all its proceedings and judgments. Number 4. Name any 2 writs. Answer. The 2 writs are habeas corpus and mandamus. Number 5. Which is the highest civil court in a district? Answer. The district judge court is the highest civil court in a district. Number 6. Where are the appeals against the decision made by the district courts heard? Answer. The High Court hear appeals against the decision made by the district courts. Number 7. Who presides over Lok Adalats? Answer. A sitting or retired judicial officer presides over Lok Adalats. Number 8. Under which scheme is free legal service provided to people with special abilities? Answer. Legal aid scheme is free legal services provided to people with special abilities. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.